Hello, this is Professor Stephen Neshiba, and I'm here to help you out with the computational guided inquiry on visualizing the internal energy U as a function of volume and temperature. Now, this is the sort of graph that we're looking to generate in this exercise, and also you'll be interpreting what you see in that graph. So I'm going to skip to the web page here. These are the sorts of files you'll need to download. This is the template Python file, and then these are three mystery grid files. They're all U as a function of volume and temperature, but some might be for an ideal gas, others might be for real gas, etc. These are the vectors of volumes and temperatures that define the grid on which those internal energy functions are defined. So you need to download all those into your pchem folder, and I'm going to go now to Canopy. I've already loaded up that uvt1.py file, and here they are. Now, this is sort of standard stuff here that we've all worked with before. This np.loadText, this is possibly a new function for you. That's going to go out and actually load some data. It's all, in this case, the volumes and the text and the gridded data. Now, in order to make that work, what has to happen is that Python has to be, it has to have its working directory to be the very folder where you have that data. So in order to make sure that that's the case, you have to go to change working directory, and I've just done that, and there I'm going to make sure that we're pointed to pchem scripts, and that's what you should do. And now I've already taken the liberty to download all those files here, so so I think that I should be okay. And let's see, well, now let's just see whether that's going to work here. I'm going to load v.text, yeah, that's fine. T.text, yeah, that's fine. Ugrid, xyz, no, I don't have it as, that's not the name of the file. The names of the file were things like ugrid1.text and ugrid2.text and so forth. The next line, I'm making the gridded volume and temperature data variables. That looks fine. And here I'm going to plot them. Oh, now in this case, because what was loaded up is volumes in cubic meters, but it's a little bit more convenient to look at it in terms of liters, I've multiplied that by 1,000. So I think we're good to go. I'm just going to press the run button, and we'll see what we get. And there we have a there we have U as a function of volume and temperature. So you'll want to load up that one, study it, maybe load up ugrid2 and ugrid3, study those, and see what sort of conclusions you can come to.